Hello there friends, welcome to today's video. I want to show you how I DIY this kitchen. This is my summer DIY project for my kitchen. I'm going to show you everything I did and how I did this. Please come with me as we decorate my kitchen wall together. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Mina Wadi. So I've been telling you guys about my wanting to do some makeover in my kitchen, and I think it's the right time for me to let you guys to share this with you guys, let you in on it. And of course it's a new build house, and this is our second year now in this property, and I decided to touch up some parts of the walls in the kitchen with paint, and then use the stickable tiles on my wall. So on this day I cleaned the wall, prepped the wall. Unfortunately I didn't bring that on the screen for you guys to see, but of course you guys, you can watch how to prep your wall before painting. There are other YouTubers that have done that who are trained and professional. By the way, I am not a professional painter, and I love painting. I didn't just start painting here in the UK. Even back home in Nigeria, I used to paint my inner living space by myself. And coming to the UK, it is for me, it's not different, because if I want to pay someone to paint, it's going to be very expensive. That's why a lot of us here in the UK, we learn DIY by fire, by force. We learn DIY by fire, by force, because where is the money, to change, to put a lock in our bedroom? The workman or whatever, the labor for that was going to cost us £70, and this does not include the new lock that we have already bought. The labor is more expensive than the new lock that we bought. So it's a country of DIY, and this is where we usually keep my bin, my general waste bin and food bin, in my utility room. And you can see the wall, how stained and rough it's looking. So I have applied the paint, but what I have not done in this room is I've not set this room up the way I want to set it. I've only painted that utility room, but the main focus for this video is my kitchen wall splashback. So I got these tiles from Amazon. I'm going to try and leave the link below in the description box, and I also going to try to leave it as an affiliate. I think I have applied to become an affiliate member. I hope I have the right word. So I'll try and link it in the description box. So if you are interested in this particular stickable tiles, if you buy them following the link that I will put there, I will get some kind of commission. So I have finished painting my wall. My wall has dried. I think this was 2 days after, or on the second day. I painted the wall on the Monday. This was on a Wednesday, and so I had to I start trimming. It's so easy. These stickable tiles are so easy. Your kitchen scissors is what I used, and my knife and my son's ruler and my chopping board. I didn't have the leveler or whatever they call it, all of those things that professionals they have. It's just what I have in my kitchen cabinet, what I have in my kitchen. The tools I use are all tools I have at home in my kitchen. The only thing that I bought was the paint. Even the roller and the brush I use, they are all, I had them. They were what I used in painting the former house where we used to live, because I used to paint that house once in 2 years as well, inside, not the outside. And so this is so easy to stick to the wall. I would recommend this. Even if you're living in a rented apartment, you can use it to give your space, that look, that kind of sophisticated look for less. That's what I can say about this. Very easy to peel as well and stick on the wall. The beauty for me is the outcome. At the end of the day, it was looking so beautiful, and the children and even my husband was like, wow, you did this yourself. And no one would have asked, well, why didn't you get the children to do it? I like to. It's not a good thing, but I think I like to micromanage when it comes to things like this. I want to do it myself. I get the satisfaction from it, so this is going to be here on my wall. If in the next 1 year I fancy removing them, I will remove and do something else with on the wall. And there were some that I removed whilst I was sticking them to the wall, and my wall did not come off. The paint did not come off with it. So this is really, really should I say killing two birds with one stone? The look you're getting, and you're paying less for it. If I wanted somebody to come and tile this parts of my kitchen wall, I know how much we will have to spend. We'll spend loads of money to buy the material, and then we will spend money on labor, and I'm not ready for that. I'm not ready for that. So this has given my kitchen the look that I want, and the stains on the wall from the kitchen sink are no longer there. I'm really pleased, and I am satisfied with the job I did for this month. So you do not have to break your bank. You don't have to break the bank to go and give your space that look you want. I didn't break the bank while I was doing this. It's easy and it's affordable, and it uplifts your space for you. Yeah. I bet you will be proud of me when you see the finished look. So guys, thank you so much. And please, let me stop you now. If you've not subscribed, go ahead, subscribe to Mama Mina's channel. Alright? Engage with me in the comment section. Rate my DIY skill, please. Let me know how I did. Rate this DIY skill, because it's not everybody that can do this DIY. Not everybody my age can do this DIY. So guys, please rate my DIY and let me know in the comment section what you think. This is the first step of my kitchen makeover. The next thing that I will do, which I'm still thinking about, is the socket, the switches, the socket, and some decorative pieces for the worktop, for my kitchen worktop table. But you will see in due time. I take it one step at a time. I'm not in a hurry, and I am not in competition. The only person I am in competition with is myself. So the house is ours. I am not going to start, rushing to get stuff into the house and then get fed up, because that's the kind of person I am. So I really take my time to do things. The house, even though we've lived here for 2 years now, is still not fully furnished. Let me use that word, furnished, because if I say it's still not fully decorated, it is stuff like this that I'm doing that they call decoration in the UK, painting and all of this work. But for having the furniture and all of those things, I think I'm right to say it's still not furnished. My air fryer used to be on this part of the kitchen, but I am thinking of not bringing back my air fryer to this because of you see the stains on the switches or the socket is the fume from the air fryer. I don't want to leave it there anymore. I'm going to reposition my air fryer. But guys, tell me what you think. Let me know in the comment section, please. Here we go. Welcome to the finished work. What do you think? Tell me, did I do a good job? Do you like this space right now? What else can I add to this space to make it more beautiful, more befitting? I'm happy, I'm pleased, and everyone in the house, they were pleased as well. Friends, let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section, and thank you for watching this DIY project with me. I shall be seeing you in my next video. Bye.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings.